Want to change your username on YouTube from your mobile device? You've come to the right place. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change your YouTube username on Android or iOS. Now let's get started. First, I'll show you how to change your username on Android. Then I'll show you the steps for iOS. Regardless of the type of device you use to change your YouTube name, you can only change your name 3 times every 90 days. Also, keep in mind that your YouTube username and channel name are the same. When you change your username on YouTube, this will change the name that appears when you comment on other people's videos, as well as the name on your channel if you post videos yourself. To begin changing your YouTube name on an Android smartphone or tablet, start by launching the YouTube Android app. Then tap your profile icon in the top right. Select My Channel. Now tap Settings. Beside your name, tap Edit. Erase your current channel name, then type in what you want to change it to. When you're done, tap OK to save your changes. To change your YouTube username on an iOS device like iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch, start by opening the YouTube app. Then tap your profile icon. Tap My Channel. Then tap the settings icon on the right. Beside your current YouTube channel name, tap the Edit button. Change your username to whatever you want it to be. To save your changes, tap the check mark in the top right corner. That's everything you need to know about changing your YouTube name on a mobile device. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. Check out techboomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.